tank. There we have our hose. We have our meth controller. Wire harness. Little pieces of hardware. We got our pump. Okay, so I decided to put a zip tie like every few inches on the wires that I'm sending to the front for now, to make it more easier for me to run it from the back to the front. So that's the trunk, and I'm now feeding the wires that are going to the front of the car. I'm gonna basically follow the same route I took with my amp. So I'm gonna go under here, under the seat, and through the side panels and up there. Got the meth hose coming through the fender, and then you have the wires coming through the firewall over there. Now time to wire up the back. Make sure I watch out for this.